Hey, what's going on? Um, Welcome to a room tour. Um, yeah, another room tour. This is my room on a 20-year-old bulk carrier. So, room's kind of tiny. It's uh, it's just mine. I don't share a head or the room or anything, so it's all my room. But you can tell it's 20 years old. There's a lot of wear and tear in the room. It's like goofy little things, you know. Um, but yeah, let's get into it. Start over here by the door. Got this nice. I jacked the mat from the bridge. They were gonna throw it away, help catch the dirt. But yeah, my boots, laundry. Then this is my stuff I use every day, so I have that right here. I don't know. This is kind of like the weird thing about the room is like it's all rigged up. Some random counter here and some piece of metal that just hangs off. Fridge is nice. I don't really use it too much. And coming over here, I rigged this fan up because it got so hot in here. It was kind of unbearable to sleep, so the air conditioner really wasn't working too well. So I had the fan blowing on me. But my desk, got my laptop, papers, all my tech stuff, nothing, cleaning gear. Top is my PPE. Then I have vitamins, some snacks, protein powder. My bed, which is pretty rickety. As you can see, this is the linen I got. I had like grease and it's all stained up. I think it's ripped somewhere. I knew it was clean because it was in the sealed plastic bag from the dry cleaner, so I knew it was clean. But it's pretty dirty. I mean, it looks pretty freaking worn. I don't know, how much does a new blanket cost? But anyway, pillow. That's the old view porthole. Socks and underwear. Under the rack, I keep all my bags. I have my camera gear and my backpack and sea bag. Over here, I have my Gumby suit under the bed. On top of the locker, I have my life vest, extra blankets. And here, I don't have any nice shirts because we don't go out. Thank you, COVID. But up top, extra soap, some medicine, Tide Pods. And all my clothes are down there. They may not look organized, but they're organized. Trash, sweatshirts, work pants, then my amazing head, sink, nothing special. The shower is actually a nice sized shower. Just got finished cleaning the room. Yeah, it's nice having your own head. Pretty much it. It's pretty tiny. Like I said, it's not a very big room, but it's still nice having your own space. I've been on ships before where you don't have your own space, so it's nice to have your own space. The room's definitely rough around the edges. Just like 20 years of sailors sleeping in here, it makes sense that it's scuffed up, and then you have things all rigged up in crazy sailing ways, you know. But the thing is, when I first got in here, it was pretty nasty. I took a step back and I was like, oh man, this is gonna be my room for the next 2-3 months. But after a long day's work, you come back, and no matter how crappy you thought your room was, at the end of the day, it's still your room. It's still your little sanctuary. So there's something to be said for that. Like I said, it's nice to have your own room. But yeah, that's the room tour. Thanks for stopping by. See you guys around.